This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with admin access and a stable internet connection. That prevents permission errors when installing drivers. Open Device Manager now by pressing Start and typing Device Manager, or use Win+X and pick it. Once there, expand Sound, Video, and Game controllers and identify the audio device name. Make a note of the model and vendor. This helps when choosing a driver. If you see multiple entries, prioritize the one matching your primary playback device. Now go to the audio device manufacturer or your PC maker and find the driver that matches your exact model and operating system. This avoids incompatible installs. Once you download the package, compare the version and release date to what's listed in Device Manager. Back in Device Manager, right-click the device and choose Update Driver, then point to the downloaded file or let Windows search. This ensures the driver integrates with system files and keeps existing settings intact. After installation, restart your computer to let the system load the new driver cleanly. Once the PC is back, open Sound Settings and select the correct playback device, then test audio in different apps to confirm consistent output. If audio is distorted or missing, go back to Device Manager, choose Properties, and use Rollback Driver. If that fails, reinstall from the vendor package in safe mode. This rollback option quickly restores functionality without further system changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.